how to fix Valorant disconnecting problem easy and quick. uh, if you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do, first right click here and then click task manager, and now all you need to do, just scroll down until you find here Vanguard. Now just right click on it, and here first click here this icon here and right click, and now click open services, and then scroll down until you find VGC, and here's it, VGC and services that starts with V. Now just click restart, and if you can't find here start, just click on it. And now your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.